Hi, Aaron here from Superior Singing Method, and this is how to sing better in 5 minutes. Okay, how to sing better in 5 minutes. Now, I mean, this is a little silly because we all know it's going to take longer than 5 minutes to become a great singer, but there are some things that you can do literally in 5 minutes that will shoot you forward and make you a better singer. And obviously, the 5 minutes, if you did the 5 minutes every day for the next 3 months, you'll see pretty dramatic results. Okay, so how to sing better? No matter where you are in your journey as a singer, as a beginner or intermediate, this is a great exercise for you that is going to help you no matter what. And this is one of my favorite exercises. It's Z's, and it's Z's. Z's are great because it's the zzz, it's a real buzzy kind of sound. You can do these anywhere. You don't have to do them loud. You can do them quiet. So you can do them in your car. You can do them as you're walking down the street. You might look a little weird if you pass people and they're like, "What's this guy doing?" But the Z's, the good thing about the Z's is because it is a closed mouth-ish exercise, and the zzz, that kind of keeps the sound trapped back in your voice. It's not the all that kind of exercise. It's a really safe exercise to do anywhere. And it also, the buzz, not only wakes up the vocal cords, but it like wakes up the face. The buzz kind of loosens up the face. We want our face and our jaw, muscles, and our lips even to be nice and agile, nice and loose. When there's a lot of tension, it affects our singing in a negative way. So this helps all kinds of things. And so the way I want you to do this is, it's basically going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't know how many fours I counted there, but it's going to be basically like this. Okay, so did you do that with me? Did you do that with me? You're not going to get any better if you're just watching me and you're not doing it yourself. Okay, I'm going to give you one more chance, okay? You doing it with me? And nobody's around you? Even if they are, it's fine. Here, we do it. Let's do it together. So if you did these literally for 3 minutes or 5 minutes, test yourself on how your voice feels. Do a little singing, don't do a lot before doing vocal warm-ups. Do a little singing, do these for 3 to 5 minutes, and notice how much more freedom you feel in your voice, and notice how you're better with tone. Notice how you feel more loose, you feel more agile, you feel not as tense, and notice that your singing will be better. Test me on this, okay? Test me on it. Even today, test me. So 5 minutes, let me know. Actually, leave me a comment and say, it worked or it didn't work, but I'm telling you it's going to work. So anyway, if you want other exercises, a lot of fun stuff, click the link below. You can find another one of my favorite exercises, a lot of actually great resources if you click that link below, as well as Superior Singing Method, which is my full course, 8-week course that you do the right things in the right time. It all builds on itself, and I give you your little chunk video of the day and your vocal exercise for the day, and once you do that, you're done. You do that for 8 weeks, and it covers every different aspect of how to build your voice. It's a great program. Even though I made it, I could say it's a great program, but I put a lot of time into it, and it really does work the whole aspect of all the areas of what it takes to be a great singer. So if you want to do that, click the link below. Leave me a comment if you want about whether it worked or not, or any questions or thoughts you have. In fact, a lot of these videos that I do are because of the comment section below and what people want to know. Okay, that's it for now. Continue to pursue your dreams. Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. All right, bye-bye.